Things so unexpected the way you right and left it.
What's up guys? Today we are going to look about Bitcoin. You might have already seen the title, so let's get into the video. Today we have 5 questions that we'll discuss about cryptocurrency. The first question is, what is cryptocurrency? And the second question, how many cryptocurrencies are there? The third question, is it feasible to buy cryptocurrency? Can you potentially earn money from it? Yes, you can earn. And fifth one is bonus question. To know that, keep up until the end. So let's go. What is cryptocurrency? First of all, before knowing about cryptocurrency, we'll discuss something about currency. Currency is like money, and this was invented to exchange it in the form of goods. Initially, they used to trade for rice for grains and grains for wheat, something like that. But now we have some medium called money. It is also called currencies. Examples are US dollars, Indian rupees, and Dubai dirhams. These all are currencies. Now, what is cryptocurrency? The word crypto is somewhat related to computers. So cryptocurrency is a form of currency that only exists digitally, that usually has no central issuing or regulating authority, but instead uses a decentralized system. Now, some might say that nowadays we also have money digitally, so does it become a cryptocurrency? No, because cryptocurrency is not regulated by anyone. It's like no one owns it. Think of it like a gold. Who owns gold? No one owns gold. But you can exchange gold, and you can actually trade gold for something. You know that countries as a whole, if they want to give money to some poor country, they give it in the form of gold and silver, right? And nowadays, due to this development of technology, we invented something like cryptocurrency, just like some commodity that you can exchange it, but this is a currency again, right? So it's not decentralized. See, unlike US dollars, which is regulated by federal banks and reserve banks, and rupees are regulated by Reserve Bank of India, with the interest rates on the loans and taxes. Cryptocurrency is not regularized. It's like it just exists. Think of it like no one owns it, as I said before. And it's a decentralized system to record transactions and manage the issuance of new units, and that relies on cryptography to prevent counterfeiting and fraudulent transactions. Okay, for each transactions that happens, you have some cryptocurrency, you go and give it to someone, and that's a transaction. And each transaction, you can see the picture on the right side, is stored into that Bitcoin, into that cryptocurrency itself, right? In this way, no one can show the same thing that happened. We can discuss more about security, right? If you have some 100, suppose think of some 100 units of some cryptocurrency and you gave it to someone, right? That transaction is recorded in that cryptocurrency through cryptography. They use an algorithm called SHA-256, which actually converts any input into many bits, and that is called the recorded transaction. Okay, if you want more about blockchain technology, just comment down below. So the second question is, how many cryptocurrencies are there in this world? Some might of you might think there are only through 200, maybe 400, but there are 4,000 types of cryptocurrencies by 2021, by early 2021, and now maybe 5,000, right? The total market capitalization in the market is 600 billion. That means if all the money that is ever there in this world is going into gold, silver, is in the form of gold, silver, or in the form of rice, 600 billion amount of money is in the form of cryptocurrencies, right? And they're estimating it will still go up by the end of 2021. It's still the early 2021, right? And these are some of the cryptocurrencies, right? Many of them think that Bitcoin, just because of its popularity, Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency, but in reality, Bitcoin has the highest market capitalization. Like maybe in 600 billion, it has up to more than 20% of it. And the second one is Ethereum, and the third one, recently it got its popularity after a tweet by the Elon Musk, Dogecoin. And these are some of the examples of cryptocurrencies. And again, money is to cryptocurrency, and US dollars, rupees are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, like that. And now, is it feasible to buy cryptocurrency? Yes, as long as you have a good study income, it is good to invest in a cryptocurrency. The currently Bitcoin is trading at uh, about more than $57,000. So, and just 3 months back, the rate was $27,000. So you might have completely doubled your income if you have just invested money. Yes, and it is feasible. Um, Sorry for that, guys. Bitcoin is illegal in every country. Yes, Bitcoin is legal. Even in India, there is no ban on cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Can you earn money using cryptocurrency? Yes, you can completely earn money using cryptocurrency. And if you are more interested in earning money, there's a free training workshop. Everyone can attend. I attended. You can also attend, and you can get your basics right about cryptocurrency. It's not like you should invest anything, but you can potentially know your side income. When is the best time to start investing? This is the bonus question. When is the best time to invest in Bitcoin? See, there are now more than 100,000 people who have 1 million or more stashed in Bitcoin, according to this data statics Biden charts. And you see, this number is so much less. 100,000 number of people compared to 7 billion is very less a number of people. So before this 100,000 becomes 1 million, that means the rate of Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency value doubles or triples by the end of year. It's better that you invest some amount. It's not like you take loans or sell or something big and keep money, but it's okay to invest for the short term, not for the long. I don't think we can't bet on long term in this cryptocurrencies because we know what happens. You know the history of this rate chart. Yeah, Warren Buffett said the best time to invest is today, right? So, thank you guys for keeping up until the last. If you have any questions, and you can see that the number of subscribers are less than 20. So, if you're listening to until here, you're the luckiest guy. So, I will read every comment on this video and I will try to make a video next time. Next week actually. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.